this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Halloween costume for 2020 to dress up as Dream from Minecraft. Heavy inspiration was taken from SAD-ist Dream vs Technoblade Animation, so check that video out in the description. Also, only a small percentage of you are actually subscribed, so if the subscribe button is still red, then please consider pressing it if you like this video. It really helps support this channel. Anyway, enjoy the video. So, to make this costume, you're going to need a green hoodie, some fingerless arm sleeves, brown nylon webbing, black pants, and if you have a 3D printer, then some white filament for the mask, and blue and brown filament or spray paint for the diamond axe. You'll also need some super glue, velcro, a sharpie, scissors, a lighter, hot glue, and some cheap shades. If you don't have a 3D printer, I'll show you how you can order a 3D print of this for yourself. In any case, first you need to download the STL files in the description. If you have a 3D printer, print the mask at normal size and scale the axe to whatever size you want depending on how big your printer is. Make sure to use supports. If you don't have a 3D printer, then check out Shapeblaze, the link is also in the description. Upload the STL files and choose the material you want. I printed everything in white PLA, but if you print the axe handle in brown filament and the axe blade in blue, then you won't have to spray paint it later. Once the mask is done, we're going to use a Sharpie to color the smile and the inside of the eye holes black. Then, we're going to hot glue the mask onto some cheap shades so we can easily wear it and take it off. With the diamond axe, we're going to first spray paint the handle brown and the blade blue, then simply press fit the pieces together. Next, we're making the strapped hoodie. First, put on the green hoodie. Then, measure out enough of the brown webbing to wrap around your waist like a belt, then cut the length and use the lighter to seal the edges. Add velcro to both ends of the strap so you can put this on and take it off. Then, measure and cut enough brown webbing to wrap from the front of your left hip, over your right shoulder, then to the back of your left hip, sealing with a lighter again. Use super glue, liquid stitch, or if you wish, sewing to seal the strap onto your makeshift belt. I use some clothespins to hold the straps in place as the glue dried, but afterwards you're done. Finally, just put on some black pants and wear the fingerless arm sleeves over the green hoodie and the costume is complete. Hey, thanks for watching till the end. I know I haven't been uploading much because I've been busy with school and college apps and scholarship essays. The uploads will still be a bit spotty until after November 12, then I'll start releasing 1 to 2, maybe even more videos per week. Anyway, enjoy your Halloween and I'll see you in the next video.